I am lucky enough to own two very rare vacuum cleaners. These are my TWO Kenmore Drytechs. This is the one I got first, and that was a gift, Christmas present about 1.5 years ago. And this one I just got about a month ago at a thrift store. So I'm very lucky to have them both. I was never expecting to own one, let alone two of these. They're special because they were the first machine to be sold in the United States that was designed by James Dyson. As you can see, those are the dual cyclones. It's also the only fan-first cyclonic vacuum cleaner ever made, so that's also special, and it works surprisingly well as a dry powder carpet shampooer. So I'm going to run the one on the right. It has 3 different settings. It has a setting to dispense the powder, and then a setting to scrub in the powder, and then when you're done you vacuum. So I will run it first on dispense, then on brush, then on vacuum. It's rather loud, but it was originally marketed so that you could actually use it as a regular vacuum cleaner, but it really doesn't work that well as a regular vacuum because the brushes are very, very aggressive, which is good when you're scrubbing in powder, but not so much when you're vacuuming delicate carpeting. So that's my TWO Kenmore Drytechs.